Hey y'all, so tell me how my boss brought me a bunch of new stuff. Like, I know he's at work, but who doesn't like a good unboxing videos? And they got me two new monitors. You remember how I was always talking about how this thing is so slow? The old one was so slow. Hopefully these are not slow. They set it up, but software wise is not set up. And I was like, I was just so excited. And tell me how I was thinking about leaving. Oh, that's kind of embarrassing, but I only been working at this job for like 3-4 months and like boxer. Okay. It's a little difficult because it's like, how am I gonna do this with one hand? But you know what? I'll figure it out. There's a lot of stuff too. Oh yeah. Oh, it's dirty. Okay. I need my other hand, but I'm trying. Okay, there. Okay. Yeah, all I gotta do is like set everything up, which is like, it shouldn't be hard, right? Put this here. Yeah, this feels better. Everything looks so nice. I like pink, but you know what? This could work. Because it works with my notebook too. Yeah, give me a notebook. That goes with this color perfectly. Alright. Ow. Now I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put everything. Don't know what half of these things are. Let me go look at the picture again. Yeah, okay, we got that. Okay, I think I'm gonna probably try to decorate on my own. Okay, so what do y'all think of this? Because I was thinking of having the pins closer, well, you know, to residents, just in case, or anybody who just wanna, you know, grab a pin or something like that. This is the cards, the note cards, but honestly, I don't think I really need it because we're gonna have like IDs where and we'll have like a QR code with our contact information on there. And then as you can see, I put this here. This is just like for the sticky notes. And this is for, let me look, what is this for? Just random stuff, like a notebook, which I do got for work. And just, it's cute little random stuff. Let me start. I think this is good. But y'all let me know. Because honestly, this, I don't know if I could leave this one right here. Because this is note right here. Nobody even looks at this note, but I don't know. And I don't want it to be like in people's way either, if you ask me. Oh, there's all my old stuff. I was wondering where she had put all my old stuff. It's still here. I miss you guys for like the last, 4 months? I could put this here maybe. Or you think that's kind of retarded to put in the back? It's kind of retarded, huh? Okay. I don't know. We'll see. Girl, I'm like it's my shit. Because it's like, yeah, okay, you brought it for me to work, but it's like the next person who's coming, it's gonna be their stuff after that. So like I get to go or leave with it. Okay, so somebody's, I guess, is here. So let me go check on that. I'll be back hopefully. I was not even planning on doing a video today, but here we are. Okay, so that is everything and how it looks like. We did ended up just moving this one over here because she thought it was, you know, blocking the residents, even though 1C is really like completely blocked anyways. But yeah, this is her, this is she, and I think it looks absolutely stunning. I think it looks good. Yes. Wait, you can't see this. Yes. She look good. Okay. Too much. But anyways, that's it for now. I don't know if I'm gonna do more and post more in this video, but we'll see. We will see. But bye for now.